My name is Jillian and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today I thought I would talk about the very first thing I upgraded after I got some money, or after I saved up some money in order to upgrade some of my cheaper camping gear. So I just thought I would talk about, just like everybody, starts off with, you always start out with, the really cheap stuff from Walmart. That's a piece of junk, and it's just, you're just so ready to be done with it that you just can't wait. So the first thing I bought, and I was actually probably not the best idea to buy this really expensive thing, is not this, sorry, this was second. So the first thing I got was this self-inflating air pad, actually, and I ended up buying this because it was on sale on Amazon, and it was rated very highly, by a number of people. And I bought it because I was going hiking in the Grand Canyon, and I knew that the really cheap thin foam pad, I just knew that was not going to work so well. So I ended up buying this, and I actually ended up popping it because I must have put it on like a sharp rock or something. It's very fragile, so I kind of regret buying this because after I used it I could not return it and they would not let me take it back, and it wasn't under warranty and everything, so it was very annoying that I had to just keep it and live with the fact that I had put a hole in it. So, but anyway, so I ended up just kind of keeping it around, but I do not use this anymore. But I'm still glad I bought it. It cost me $40, so it was a more expensive thing. So, but then after I came to my senses, I still spent a lot of money. So this was like 30 bucks, I think, or 25, I forget. It's a little cheaper, but I decided to go with just like a more expensive foam pad, where it's got these ridges and it's really firm. So I decided to get this because I knew that the self-inflating air pads probably aren't the best idea for Arizona camping. However, it's a really good idea to get something like this for kind of camping on the rocks and whatnot. I just thought I'd make a little video, so thank you so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below, or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.